Hello, this is Mr. Hassel again. Today we're going to talk about key signatures and some sharp key signatures. This is Unit 7, Lesson 29. When writing the scales on page 44, you added sharp signs before the appropriate notes. In the G scale, you added a sharp sign before each F. In the D scale, you added a sharp signs before each F and C. To make writing and reading music easier, you can place all of the sharps used in a scale or a piece immediately after the clef sign. This is called the key signature. It indicates the notes that will be sharped each time they appear for the entire piece. In this case, any F will always be played sharp unless there is a natural sign before the F. Sharps written in the key signature always appear in a specific order. Here are the sharp key signatures for the scales you know. Here is the key of G, which is 1 sharp on F sharp, in the treble clef and the bass clef. And here is the key of D major, 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp. Here it is in the treble, and here it is in the bass. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So the order of the first 2 sharps in a key signature are F sharp and C sharp. If we remember the saying, fat cats go down alleys eating bread, is the order of the sharps. Number 2, if C sharp is the last sharp in the key signature, the major key name would be D. Number 3, we're going to name the following major key signatures. So 1 sharp is the key of G. 2 sharps is the key of D. 2 sharps in the treble clef is also the key of D. It doesn't matter whether it's in bass clef or treble clef. 2 sharps is going to be the key of D major. And then 1 sharp, just like this one, in the bass clef is going to be the key of G. Next, we're going to write the following key signatures. So D major is 2 sharps, fat cats. So you're going to put a sharp on the F line and a sharp on the C space. G major in the treble clef is 1 sharp, F sharp. G major in the bass clef is still 1 sharp, F sharp. The F is just in a different place on the 4th line. And the last one, the key of D major, is 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp. So fat cats. All right, this concludes our lesson for the day.